Hello everyone. Good morning. It is what time is it? 6:46 in the morning. No, December 20th. Can you imagine? Can you believe it? It's already December 20th. Got my coffee here. So this is my very first video like this. I just received Happy Mail. Yay! My very first Happy Mail. I entered Budget with My's giveaway and I was one of the winners. Yay! So I already opened it, but I did not take a peek yet because I didn't want to fuss around with it. But I saw the winner or the prize already and it was so cute. I was like, ooh, I never had a cash bag and money placers, but thank you so much, Budget with My. I got it nice and safely. Handle with care. They do not pen. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. And then she also has a Etsy shop. I will link down below too. I checked it out already. It was so cute. Let's see. Oh my goodness. It's a money bag. I never had a money bag before. Or placeholders or money placeholders. I never had money placeholders before. But thank you. Thank you. You mean the support. You mean the support. It's in the morning, guys. Your support means the world to us. Scratch to reveal a surprise. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will do that. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. She also has ones with stickers, but I did not want any stickers on mine. Because I'm plain and boring, I like it like that. So thank you. $1,000. I don't know if I'm ready for $1,000 yet. Cute, nice. I like the corners. They're not sharp, they're curved. Oh my gosh, yay, another one. Perfect. Oh yeah, I'm gonna definitely use these 500 ones. Happy Mail Dance. Happy Mail Dance. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Ooh, $500. Cool. Okay, so thank you so much. Now I'm able to bring this along with me to get my cash now. So let's make it a lucky quarter or a dime of some sort, and let's scratch this off. Okay, I got these. You look like you're a winner. Like doing a scratcher. Use code SAVE15. Yay, thank you so much. No, I just made a mess. Ugh. It's okay, but thank you again. And then I will link down her shop, her YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Ooh, what's that? Oh. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Check her out because these are so cute. I'm gonna be using these, and then I have a reason to use these too, like my Roth IRA, to see how much, and then also my down payment too. Who am I kidding? I have a reason for that. Okay, bye guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Oh, I forgot about these. Check these out. These are so cute. I got little nutcrackers, little nutcracker man, and a Christmas tree. Okay, bye guys. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. It helps my channel grow. My goal is 200 subscribers by the end of this year. Bye guys.